Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is about a tumbler cup, but not just a tumbler cup, a sparkly one. So honestly, ever since I was stressing my heels about over 2 years ago, I've been dreaming about doing on a tumbler cup. And I just kind of I didn't do it. I delayed it and delayed and delayed and delayed. And then I've noticed that it became such a popular hit. Like all of a sudden I see a Starbucks tumbler cups. Then J-Lo came out with like 50, one for each movie and event and song and everything. So very cool. So I was like, okay, I don't have any more excuses. I'm going to create a tumbler cup with crystals. So that's exactly what I did. I didn't order any specific crystals for it. I was like, okay, let me just try it out, see if I like it. So what I did was literally use what I had in my drawer, kind of like leftovers and, different colors and etc. So this is not a Starbucks cup. This is just a regular tumbler cup that I was like, let me just try this on it and see if I like it. So with the video, if you want to watch it, you'll see how I just start adding different colors and stuff. But this is the result. I have my name on it, and it's mostly AB effect. And then I just added some random colors on it. This lighting right here doesn't do it justice. When this hits the light, whew, this thing can shine back to the moon. So it is gorgeous in my opinion. Not too sure what I tried to do here, but whatever, just go with the flow with me. I tried to do a heart. It's my first time doing a tumbler cup, so it's a little different. The surface is obviously round, and so I do like the results very much. So if you do want to watch how I created this tumbler cup and you want to create your own, then please keep watching. So I have my E6000 glue, which I will be using, and my crystals that are AB effect. So I already started with my cup and I'm gonna go my way up. Now I don't have enough crystals, so I'm going to just add random crystals into the cup. I have other colors that I can use, so I might do this line in a different color or these waves. I'll just go along with colors that I have. So as you can see, I had a little line here that I followed along with different colored crystals. And I'm not sure what I did here, but like a little triangle that I had on the cup as well. So I just followed along. And I randomly just stressed all the way up to the cup. And that's what it's looking like right now.
So I wrote my name with a Sharpie, and then I'll go ahead and add different colored crystals on top of the letters to just make my name pop.
I love you. Roxy, you want to bring me the toy? Where's your ball? You want to get your ball? Where's it, Mommy? I love. No, 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 no. But don't squeak it. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Thank you for watching today's video. I love. Get your